Yeah, okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I wanna explaining about I think the last project. Yeah, but before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Kasendria, and I'm from 9 grade, especially 9E. So this is my portfolio. So this is basically the cover of my portfolio. Yeah. So let me explain you what inside my portfolio. So this is the cover. For the portfolio, I'm using a comic design and make it like a simple design but powerful. Yeah. Okay. So next. So the portfolio project is basically the uh, the summary of what I do from 7th grade until 9th grade now. And yeah, this is one of the requirement before graduating. So this is the list of content what I put in my portfolio. The first thing is introduction, and the second thing is CV, my game project, my website project, my IoT project, my multimedia project, Android, English, dunia, and my achievement and experience in 3 years in IDN. So next, yeah. So this is my introduction page. In this introduction page, it's very simple. It's only telling who I am based on uh, my opinion. Yeah, so this is I'm an undergrad student at IDN Coding School, and my passion is to creating and exploring something new things, especially in technology. I enjoying experimenting with ideas, building projects, and learning how innovation can make an impact. So next, so this is my CV. It's a creative CV, not formal. Yeah, so it's I make and I use the CV just for my portfolio. So to make it uh, match with the design. Yeah. So this is a very short CV. This is my personal description and my skill from IDN. What I get from IDN: Scratch, robotics, IoT, web, and and many more. Yeah. So yeah, this is I put my contact here, my education. So me from 2018 until 2023, I'm studying at SD Zubair bin Awam, and from 2023 until now, I'm still studying at IDN Boarding School Jonggol. And yeah, this is my experience. This is an overall experience, not all, but this is overall. Yeah. So in the end, I already got 3 times national and international robotics competition winner. And for the ID teaching, I from 2023 until now, um, I'm doing over 5 times national and international IDN teaching, yeah, from Indonesia to Egypt. And for the competition, um, ever go to competition to Malaysia and I win in the Malaysia. Okay, next. So this is the the first topic. This is my game project. So the first thing is IT, yeah, because IT will learn much here. So this is my game project. It will show my Scratch project, yeah, catching fruit, Alienware, Dino game, even the build box. So for the game section, it's showing my Scratch and build box. And for the website, it's showing my I mean WordPress website, yeah. So I make actually 3, but my personal website is taken down because it's not paid yet by the IDN, yeah. So I can't show here because I lost the access and I lost all the data to my personal website, yeah. So I just show my mosque website and school website that I've created for IDN project, yeah. So next, my IoT project, it's featuring mostly about Arduino, Microbit, and Blink. Yeah, smart home lah. So this is my first project, Microbit Inverter. It's about Microbit. And in IoT, we don't learn about coding and coding, but we learn about robot, yeah, robotics too. Yeah, this is one of the project that is reviewing a sumo robot, yeah. And there is reviewing Bling using Bling, yeah, to make a smart home, and using remote XY to make a smart home too. So we learn many things in IoT, uh, not only two subjects but many more. We learn even about line follower, sumo, smart home using remote XY, microbit, Bling, and yeah. So maybe that's it. So my multimedia project, it's all about Figma and design. It's all about animation and design. So this is my first project using Figma. It's making an illustration. It's like tracing or what, something I forget to say. Yeah. So and for the animation, mostly we using Jitter to make the project. Yeah. So I make a Jitter web animation. So I animate that website to have animation. Yeah, so and I create Instagram post light and many others. So in multimedia, we only focus to animation, UI, and UX, and graphic design. So next, this is the interesting part, yeah. Mobile apps, yeah, it's mostly to coding. We are creating an application like slightly of advanced application using Flutter and Codular. So yeah, this is the project for 9th grade, yeah. Most of them is Codular and Flutter. And Flutter, we are creating a Bitaqwa, like a fully functional application that kinda like Muslim Pro, yeah. Okay, so next, yeah. So this is my English project, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, this is one of my project, that is podcast. This is podcast about discussing whether students should be required to wear a school uniform. And there is short movie too, one of my best project. Yeah, the short movie title is Five Dreams One Journey. And there is a presentation, Codular tutorial, and English final project. Yeah, it's presenting project and project interview. Yeah. So next, yeah, so this is my Diniah project, Akida. This is my first project using Canva and Fikih Mind Map. This is from 8th grade, and Sirah video and other poster. So achievement, this is the list of all my achievement from the robotic competition and others. This is from the robotic sumo competition. This is innovation competition, innovation, and this is from a course. This is from course tuh ya, bisa AI about robotics and IoT, and HTML, CSS, and Python. And the experience. So this is my IDN teaching, one of the best IDN teaching. It's in 8th grade, yeah. But yeah, this is the IDN teaching international. This is in the Egypt. Yeah, and there is EduRace, then IT Fest, yeah. So I serve as the organizing committee for IDN IT Fest to handle a robotic competition. And last thing that I'm doing, one of my experience is creating a fully readable learning module for everyone. Yeah, so yeah, the module is about IoT. So this is the closing. Thank you for reading my portfolio. It's a total of 61 pages, and I'm grateful to have made this far. So thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.